bien, bonsoir, monsieur. Ah, Liam Tigre. OK, allez, tout le monde, allez, reste. Allez, tout de suite, allez. En place. Good boy, sit down there. Prenez, there's a good boy. There you go, Peter, there's a good Engelbert, Prenez, there's a good boy. Harry on the top. Harry, so turn around. Right, Syria, up, fine, you made it. Come on, that's fine. Thank you very much. Hey. Je suis le papa. Yeah, well, je suis le chef de Peruche. Chef de Peruche. Jean-Claude, allez. Jean-Claude de Paris. Jean-Claude, up, fine. Up, great stuff. Compliment. Merci beaucoup. Up, place. Harry. Ici, Harry. Harry Tutsi. Harry, up, pull, hand. Up, pull, up, voilà. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Vous êtes le meilleur public nous avons ce soir. C'est bien. Wait a minute. You realize you're living today. I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old days. Maurice, embrasse-moi. Tu dois encore manger de l'ail. The old bad old days. Come on, Sam. Tout le monde, applaudissements. Way back when, whoa, I'd rather stay right here with the cold days to go through that. See me out and you win. You lose or you win in the good old bad. That's fine. Hey, to the thing. Anyway, boy. Well, in and on time. Allez, tout de suite, monsieur, allez. Allez, marchez, come on. Allez, marchez, come on. Allez, vite, up near. One. There's a Maurice score. Up one. Up. Yeah. I'm happy to say in the good old bad old days. Allez, Maurice. Allez, go on, allez. Come on, ready, up. Ready. There's a good boy. Sit down. Sit out the ladder. Keep going. C'est très bien. Merci beaucoup. Allemagne, c'est... Hey, Boris, c'est fini. Ici, à place. Hey! Ready, hop. Allez, en place. Non. Hey, Freddy. Ça suffit, allez. Allez, en place. See that? No, ma. Come here, son. There's a good one. Come on. Quickly. Ah, not you this time. No. One touch. Up. France, up one. Yeah. Oh. Thank you. Nevertheless, I think you gotta confess that the good old bad old days. Living today, I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old days. Wait a minute. Freddie Halfpenny. Freddie Halfpenny, écoute. Pas de soir. C'est le camion, hein, la voiture. Madame et monsieur, maintenant, madame et monsieur. The fool, huh? The stupid. Wait a minute. Ready, Halfpenny, s'il vous plaît. Pas de soir. Sit on the car. What's for the guy? Ready, Halfpenny. That's it. No. Okay, ça suffit, hein? Ça suffit. Make them laugh. Look, quand je dis sit on the car, you sit down. Hi! Let's listen. Everybody, come on. Come on, listen, come on. Make them laugh. Peter. Allez, Peter, René. Here comes the ship. Head it. Come on. Up, right, go! Right, careful. That's one. Up, high. Yeah. Thank you very much. Hello. Merci beaucoup. Allez, quand je dis 1, 2, 3, va t'asseoir. C'est la boîte, OK? Quand je dis 1, 2, 3, allons, slow. Allons, let's go. C'est bien. Hop.